I'm Jeremy.
My name's Chris.
I'm Drew.
And if you can see me on Forest, and this
Is the golf course airport.
Drew, you filming?
Yeah. Get ready.
Go, 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 go.
Thumbs up.
He's right there, look at him. Get him, dude.
Right now.
It's going right now. Forrest is so insane. Let's go.
Where are we going?
I know he's going to be enough.
Cut her out.
You got this guy. Get this guy. Film this guy.
I'm filming him.
This guy.
Get this guy. Then we're gonna.
Oh, he's coming over.
Hey, where are we taking? Hurry up.
Get him.
Get. Here, watch this.
Oh, he's going that way.
He goes, fuck you. He goes, fuck you.
Did you film him?
Yeah. He's teeing off towards us.
Dude, tee off to us, please. We'll take his golf ball.
There's a tree there.
Wait, he is.
God, you're an idiot.
You're an idiot. Yeah, let him have a free shot. We'll get the next guy.
He's gonna screw it.
Nice hit. Nice shot.
Drew, you gotta do it. We're off film.
Yeah, no. True. I can't see you.
Not yet.
Here they come.
He lost his club! He dropped his club!
Do it. Suck my dick, yo!